Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're here, and I'm so excited because I am on such a retail therapy euphoric high right now. I have made my most expensive luxury purchase to date, and I'm so excited to share it with you. It's my very first Louis Vuitton, and it is the most expensive purchase I've made. I'll talk about price a little bit later, but I am so excited to unbox it with you and share this fabulous moment with you. If you're new here, hello, my name is Maria and I love fashion and beauty. I love looking like $1 million without spending it, but of course there might be the occasional splurge on this channel. If you have that same fashion philosophy, then I think you'd love it here, and I'd love for you to join this family. So hit that little subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Now let's get on with the unboxing. All right, so this is my very first Louis Vuitton purchase. I have to admit this was an extremely impulsive buy. I had no intention of buying a bag or buying this bag in particular. I don't know, it was just really impulsive. It was on New Year's. My husband and I were shopping at Neiman Marcus, and not even really shopping. We were just window shopping, checking out the sales and seeing what's out there available. He had already gifted me a really incredible gift for Christmas, so I had no intention of spending any more money at this moment. So we were just having a look around. We came across the handbag section, and there was a 25% off table with this white folding table with a bunch of beautiful bags just sprawled out on the table. It looked like somebody's luxury yard sale. I had a look through, and I really saw some Bottega bags that I loved, but they were not really ones that I wanted to get, but I just saw that price tag and I was getting really tempted. But then I said to myself, no, Maria, you need to control yourself. You don't really want these bags. They're not ones that you had your eye on. They are not anything that you would really be truly happy with. And they were, you know, around $1,500 to $2,000, a little bit even more than that in some cases. So we walked away. Had to peruse around the shoe section. They had the shoe rack with all the sales. I've already picked through that even pre-Christmas. Not really anything to my liking there. So we were just heading on our way out. And of course, right there at the beginning of the entrance to the Neiman Marcus is the Louis Vuitton boutique. And I was like, let's just go in there. Let's see what they have. So we entered the boutique, had a little quick walk around to take a look at some things, but very quickly a very chunky gold chain caught my eye, and I just went straight for that section. A sales associate came right over, asked if I wanted to check out the bag. I had no intention, but I was just like, yeah, why not? Why not? Tried it on, and I have to say that was the end of it. I was hooked immediately. At first I tried the larger size and I was feeling like it was just a little bit too bulky for me. So she said that it comes in a smaller size, and she had a look around, found a bag that I would love, and I tried that one on, and that's what's sitting here now. So let me show you what it is. So I bought this just a few days ago, but I've left it in the box because I wanted it in pristine condition to show you and unbox it with you. This is my very first unboxing, as I said, so I may not be the best and most smoothest at this, but let's have a look and see what we can do here. So yeah, they were super nice there. So this is a Louis Vuitton boutique in Neiman Marcus. I've never actually gone into an actual Louis Vuitton store, but I'd imagine that the service would hopefully be the same. But this was beautiful service. She was very kind. This box is gorgeous. I'm definitely going to keep this box. Here is the beautiful Louis Vuitton dust bag. And let me just pull this out. Close this, put this aside. And here it is. So here we go. Yes, this is the black, okay. I don't know how to do this. This is the black calf skin, no, lamb skin. This is the black lamb skin Cousin PM, and it is embossed with the Louis Vuitton monogram. It has, let me see, I guess all these things are in here. Yes, okay. So it has a beautiful thick black strap for a crossbody effect, and then it has this incredible, gorgeous, chunky chain. to wear it more as a shoulder bag. It has this beautiful pink lining inside here. I just love that. It's incredible. That was one of my favorite things about this, even though you can't see it from the outside, but I just loved that color. Really stunning. It has 3 compartments. I think it can fit a lot of your everyday things in here. All your basics, all your necessities for an everyday bag. I love the look of it, that you can take it from day to evening, and that's what I really loved about it. Just something very versatile. So that is the chain. Fits beautifully right under the arm like that. It's really, really stunning. I absolutely love it. I love this chain. It has this gorgeous Louis Vuitton stamp on it all throughout. It's really, really beautiful. The strap is bigger but adjustable. So I don't think I'll ever be removing the chunky gold chain because I love the look of that. But I will be adding and detaching this depending on how I plan to wear the bag. And so there, this is more of a crossbody style. The shoulder bag is adjustable and also has a beautiful Louis Vuitton stamp on it. Kind of hard to see, but it's there. One thing I am concerned about this is the wear and tear on this. I do plan to enjoy this and wear this a lot to get my money's worth out of this. And the lambskin does concern me. So maybe you can let me know in the comments below what your experience is with this bag or lambskin bags in particular. How quickly do they scratch up? How is the best way to take care of them? Because I do want to keep this in the best condition possible, but I'm just nervous. I'm kind of just chalking this up to a bag that I'm just going to use and abuse and love to death. What was the cost of this bag? This was $4,700, and with our tax here in California, it was like over $5,000. This bag is sold out on the website. I just checked yesterday. So a lot of the more popular colors like black, white, but they do have the more unique colors still available online. But this was available in store. So I'm sure if you were to pop into a store, they could probably locate one for you quite easily. This is from the summer 2021 collection. Let me know if you own one and what your experience is with this one. I am so happy with this bag. I don't know when I can afford another bag. This was actually kind of a treat to myself because I really had a fabulous year last year with my main job, and my business really boomed out of control, and it was really a wonderful year. And I thought this was a wonderful gift to myself to kind of reward me for all my hard work and getting through such a crazy year. So hopefully this is the start of a wonderful 2023. I do hope that you are off to a wonderful start as well. Please join me in this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I love to help women look and feel their best, make them feel like $1 million without spending it. So please join me and subscribe to this channel. I'd love to see you back here. I'll be back hopefully very soon with another video. I'm going to try to be a little bit more regular on this channel. I was quite MIA for a while, but I'm so glad to be back, and I hope to make more of a regular appearance. So join me, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you.